Hey everyone, I'm Harper. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm pumped to share my thoughts on the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender, a professional grade beast that's ready to transform your kitchen game. If you're looking for a blender that can whip up smoothies, soups, and more with ease, stick with me to see if this is your next must-have. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what makes the Vitamix Propel 750 so special. This blender rocks a 2.2 horsepower motor that powers through tough ingredients like frozen fruit, greens, and even chia seeds like they're nothing. It comes with a 64-ounce low-profile container, perfect for big batches and fitting under most kitchen cabinets. You get 5 preset programs: smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning, so you can just hit a button and let it do the work. The variable speed control and pulse feature let you fine-tune textures for everything from silky purees to chunky salsas. Plus, it's got laser-cut stainless steel blades and a 7-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, this blender is a powerhouse. It blends smoothies to creamy perfection in seconds, makes hot soup without a stove, and crushes ice like a champ. The preset programs are super convenient for busy folks, and the self-cleaning mode, just add soap and water, saves so much time. The 64-ounce container is great for families or meal prep, and it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. On the con side, it's pricey, retailing around $600, so it's a big investment. Some users mention it's loud, especially at high speeds, and a few reported issues with the lid fitting snugly, though Vitamix customer service is quick to help. It also struggles with unpeeled produce, so you'll need to prep ingredients carefully. So, who's this blender for? If you're a home chef, love making smoothies or soups, or need a reliable blender for big batches, the Propel 750 is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for anyone who values power, versatility, and convenience. If you only blend occasionally or are on a tight budget, you might consider a cheaper option. But for top-notch performance, this one's hard to beat, ready to blend like a pro. Check out the Vitamix Propel 750 on Amazon using the link in the description below for the best pricing and any special deals we've found at Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.